Hello, yeah, if you're installing a 2.9 liter Whipple supercharger on the 5.4 liter Ford or for the gt500s, you're gonna have a lot of trouble with this back bolt that would be down that way underneath it. You're gonna see a black rubber hose that's behind there. I recommend getting this tool. All right, it's a flex head ratcheting wrench. Maybe get something, if you can find one that's a bit longer. This is the standard length, which is just a little over 6 inches. I'll compare it to just the regular ones. If you can get something a little bit longer, it makes it a little bit easier. But what I've noticed to do is I've taken that rubber hose in there. Make sure this is soft because you don't want to cut into it. And you push it in there and you're going to flex it downwards. That's going to keep that hose out of the way. Then, and I let this rest on the top of my shoulder and use my flashlight in my right hand. So that way it was resting on this shoulder, this roller, and I could have the flashlight there. So that's what my right side's doing. Then on the left side, I've got this guy. And pretty much what I do is I just get it to rest on that nut and then I press into it. And that kind of holds it there in one click at a time. One click. Highly recommend getting one that has 90 teeth or more. So that way you don't have much room because some of the stuff that's going to be in the way underneath there, but one click at a time until you finally get that out of the way. And whenever you need to go ahead and tighten it up completely, you can kind of take a little pipe wrench of some sort, put that in there, and get that full torque that you need to get the 25 foot balance. Now there's a few different ways that you can go about it. I tried all sorts of different ways to get wrenches inside there. I had a short one with an extension, I had a regular size, and then I like duct taped another piece because you don't need a lot of strength, a lot of torque. But I found this was the best way because that gets you over the fuel rail mount that you need to get by and lets you get more of a turn. You can also order an extended extra length one that I didn't have. It'll be coming in tomorrow. I want to see if that was a little bit more efficient at getting that replaced. But good luck, guys.